really see what these guys are doing. Filings, man. I'm going back to the bins and I'm going to place them on cards. I'm going to take my 3 favorites. But there's a ton of crossover, racing, and drifting. And realistically, it just comes from the comfortability behind the wheel. You know, being behind the wheel of these cars at 100 plus miles per hour, you can't just do anything but leave here a little bit. I'm stepping up the session a little. Can't be as low as Creature though. I think drags fine. Creature built the show car and he said, I don't know why I don't want to. Oh boy, down into turn 8 again. It's Robert Thornton, Eddie Spenninger putting on a show. There it is. That was pretty. That's proper tandem that we're gonna see on this big track. Now, tandem on this big track, it's very hard to pull off close proximity, and that's. But these two putting on a show. They know how to. They really got won this session. I'm gonna go ahead and say the ASM team won this session. It's got a built LS3 in it, makes just shy of 650 horsepower, and Vince is going to be driving this car right now. He knows how to drive. Another top garage driver from Atlanta, Georgia. In the championship fight, French is a long ways back. 165 points to Leach's 300, so he's got to start eating into Ryan Leach's advantage somewhere if he wants to have a shot at a title later this year. Down to turn 5 on the opening lap here. Leach leads the way. French and now he's French is on the fight with Jose at the first number one attack of the roll. Here comes French on the outside into turn 5, laying on the brakes. And Gridlife Summer Apex at Road America, America's National Park of Speed. We are back here on a Saturday morning, just the tail end of the morning, for more later this evening, later this afternoon. But we've still got some races to kick off. We have yet to race in our Gridlife GT series, which is effectively the IBOT GLTC rule set turned up a couple notches. Relatively small field here this weekend, but should.
Finishing in second with two drivers here for Zanella Racing on the podium. Your point leader, Leonardo Scorpione, coming home. P2 from 14th on the grid into second.
Speed is slower.
Logan Knapp, Elite Engines, will bring the trophy here for Scorpione. Again, your point leader heading to the final three races in Portland. Great job for Leo coming from deep in the field. Leveraged that mid-race yellow to get himself into the fight. But I'm telling you, folks, this is awesome right now. The momentum in season. Another victory for this driver, closing up the championship fight, the winner. All three race heat sweeps the weekend. Liam, let's unite for the last time here, folks. Let's have some fun. Guys, do me a favor, grip it and rip it. Let's celebrate another race here for USF Juniors. Liam Loiacono coming away with the race win. Second place for Leonardo Scorpione. And after two tough races, Ty Fisher back on the box, finishing P3. Championship heating up. 3 more races still to go in Portland. Thank you so much for tuning in. Thanks to for everybody here trackside. What a fantastic weekend.